English can easily help somebody heal and recover.
As we flee our home countries, we are running for safety.
When I was young, my life was simple. I went to school with my friends and we were studying together, shared our dreams and goals together.
In the northwestern side of Kenya lies Kakuma camp, one of the largest refugee camps in the world.
Kakuma basically means to me a place of struggle and hope.
This is a place where there is a lot of resilience. People are coming from other countries with a lot of trauma.
In Kakuma, you find that it's not easy to live without communication.
I first noticed that language is a challenge when I discovered new cultures and people from different countries. I want to be a part of it, share my stories and listen to their stories. And then I heard about the GWL program.
Jesuit Worldwide Learning supports refugees and marginalised communities with access to quality higher education. Supported by Cambridge English, the Global English Language, or GEL program, helps learners develop their language skills as a way to connect, to learn, and to be heard.
It was important for us to understand what works and what doesn't work when it comes to learning English in very challenging settings. One of the key findings from the study was the fact that over 90% of our respondents reported that learning English with the Global English Language Program helped improve their lives.
Now you get through the transformation journey through education, you realize that you become like a light.
What I like most about the JWL learning community is that it feels like a safe and supportive place. Even in difficult times, we still can have hope and dreams and the power to continue.
Education can really change the life of women through empowerment. English was my way out, and I was happy that I was selected to teach the global English. I serve as an example or an inspiration to young women and girls in my community.
Here at Cambridge University Press and Assessment, we believe in the power of education for all learners, including learners in emergency settings, because education often serves as a bridge between the disrupted past and the more hopeful future.
When one person learns, when one person is educated, becomes a hope and prosperity for others.